Almost 15 years ago now, there was a dog that used to follow my brother and I home. I believe she just enjoyed the extra pets my brother always gave her. And it quickly became a routine for them both to meet in the morning before school and the afternoon afterwards. But after a month or so of this, I wondered who she really belonged to. And so my brother, being the honest kid he was, went searching with her each day that spring break. It wouldn't be right to monopolize someone else's pet, after all. That whole week passed them by with no claims having been made. And at the end of the final day, when I saw them walking home side by side, the answer was obvious. She was always his, and always will be.